Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution for Math. Today we are going to learn very important topic arithmetic progression, exercise 5.3 for the NCERT and exercise 1.3 for the KSEB. The topic is sum of the first n terms of an AP. Question number 13 and 14 we will discuss. The question number 13 is similar to previous video, but question number 14 it include one more extra thing to find. So let us solve one by one. Coming to the question number 13, here we have find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Here they have given to find multiples of 8, but how much? 15, that is also first 15. Means here they have not mentioned here 15th. Understood? So sum of first 15 multiples means S15 we have to find. So that is the thing they have given. But what is that AP now? The multiples of 8. Which is the first multiple of 8? So you can see the first multiple of 8 means 8 table it is. So we have to start from the 8. Next 16. Next 24. So on. The 8 table you have. Like that we have to write down that AP. This is the same question what I have done in previous video. So now what we have to do? We have to find S15 means Sn formula how to substitute. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now coming to the part that is we need n value. N value already given. They have told you to find the 15th term. So n value will not be changed. It will be similar. So I can write down that n value as what? 15. Next coming for A, we want the first term. In AP we know that this is our AP. The first term is 8. So A is equals to 8. Then we need one more. N is already found. D. What is the D value? D is nothing but A2 minus A1. What is A2? That is 16 minus 8. That is equals to 8. Or directly we can write down D value as 8 because multiples of 8 they have given. If in case they have given multiples of 10, the D value will become 10. Like this way, that is easy to find. Now we will substitute in this formula. So let us substitute this value. S15 we have to find, that is equals to 15 by 2 into 2 into A. What is the A value? That is 8 plus n minus 1 we have, n is nothing but 15 minus 1 we will write down in the bracket and D value is 8. So here again the calculation part, 15 by 2 and 2 8 are 16 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 8. Okay, here 15 and 2 we can't cancel because 15 is an odd number and 2 is a even number. It will not get cancelled now. So now we have to move on. The two things are here. This 2 can be taken common and then we can cancel this. Here we can take the 2 common. Here in this term we can take the 2 common. But directly we can calculate also because we have the known thing. In this part we have totally known thing only. Unknown is nothing we have. So directly we will find now. So 16 I will write down as it is. 14 8s are. What is the 14 8s are? That is nothing but 112. Next we have to do the calculation. 15 by 2 as it is. What is 16 plus 112? If you add both the things you are going to get 128. So 15 by 2 into 120 into 128 that we have to calculate. I will write once again over here. So no need for confusion. So here we have S15 that is equals to 15 by 2 into 128. So the cancellation we have to do now. So 2 ones are 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8 we have. So now continuation, that is nothing but 15 into 64. So now again don't go the calculation with the one digit. Go with this 15, total 15 you have to take. Take that 15 and directly multiply with the 4 and directly multiply with the 6. So 15 4s are how much? 15 4s are 60. So write down 0 and 6 carry. 15 6 are 90. 90 plus 6 96. So that is nothing but S15. So you found that value S15. Sum of the first 15 multiples of 8 is nothing but 960 is your final answer. That you can have to write down in the lastly sum of first 15 multiple of 8 is 960. This is our final answer. So yesterday one student have asked one question. Okay, personally asked one question, that is why the word here find the sum of the first they have mentioned. Why they have not given direct question find the sum of the 15 multiples of 8. So here they have used over here first. Yes, why they have used this first only, why they can't use anything else, means directly why they will not give as like this. Find the sum of the 15 multiples of 15 multiples of 8, like this way they may give the question. But why they have added over here first, that was the question. Here a good question it is actually, because here we are finding the formula is over here, Sn formula is only for to find the sum of first multiples or first some AP, the terms of AP. So for example, from A1 to A1 plus A2 plus so on till the which term you are going to give, that is AN means first, starting from the first. Understood? For that purpose this Sn formula is like this way. If they have not mentioned here first, what will happen? It may start from not first. Okay, it may be given from A10 to next A11 A12, means we don't know which is the first term. Okay, so like this way they may give. For that purpose no need to do any confusion, they are giving as the first over here. Okay, if they are not given first means you can take the first term as A10, next A11 A12 A13, like this way you can take 15 terms. It will be till A24. See, if you will count A10 to A24, there are 15 only, 15 terms only. So A1 to A15 if you will take, there are how many terms now? Again 15 terms. So first means you have to start from A1 A2 A3. If they have not given here first means you can start from anywhere. A2, you can start from A2, because they have not mentioned here what first. This was the clarification for the doubt, but it was a good question. Coming to the 14th question, here they have given find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So they have told you to find what? Sum of odd numbers. Remember, sum of odd numbers they have given. Not all the numbers. Sum of odd numbers between 0 to 50. So 0 to 50 numbers we know. Of all of you know 0, afterwards we will come 2, 3, 5, so on till 48, 49 and 50. Okay, I have written and skipped some of the numbers from 7 to 47. I have not written, so I have written so on. So here they have given not sum of all these 0 to 50 numbers, but in this they have told you to find sum of odd numbers. So which are the odd numbers over here? Odd number, 0 is an odd number? No, 0 is not an odd number. 1 is an odd number, yes. So first we have to write down that AP. That AP is nothing but 1, it will starting from 1, first odd number. Next, what is that? 2 is not an odd number, 3. Next, 4 is not an odd number, 5. So on. Lastly, we can see 48 is not an odd number, 50 is not an odd number, 49 is the last odd number between 0 to 50. So they are asking the sum of these odd numbers, means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on till 49 you have to find the sum. Now the question arrives over here. One thing you remember, you can find it directly. So directly how you can find over here? So you directly have to write down Sn is equals to, and you have to substitute the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula you can go, or they have given the first term and they have given the last term also. Means that you can go with the one more formula, that is nothing but Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. This formula also valid for this question. But if you will think correctly, one thing is missing. What is that term is missing? See here in this AP 135 and so on to 49. That is a, we know that is the first term. What we have, that a value, that is 1, we know. D value can be find. So 2 minus a2 minus a1, that is nothing but 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. So d value also you can find. But what about the n value. N value is unknown over here. How many terms are there from 1 to 49? That we don't know. So this question seems like easy, but it have a lots of things you have to do. Means you have to find the n value first. If you know n value, then only you can solve this type of problem. But the n value to find it is actually easy part, but you have to solve that not directly. You can do, there are 50 numbers. 0 to 50 means there are 51 numbers. Okay, so 0 is the odd number, even number, and 50 is also even number. So if you will see, take that 0 outside, there are totally 50 numbers. 50, in that half of them are even number, half of them are odd number. So 25 even number, 25 odd number. Like this way you can find that n value as 25 directly, you can say. But how you will write down now? Because in exam, if the question is asked, you can't direct that n is equal to 25. How it came, you have to solve. That is the thing now we have to take. To solve that, we need that n value. So what we will do, last term is very important. That 49 is very important. We will take that 49. The last term means what? We have to take as what? An. So now we have to consider, let an, that is last term, as 49. Understood? We have to take the last term as 49, and we have to find the n value by an formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an value we don't know, we know already, that is 49, but n value we don't know actually. So a value is nothing but 1, already we found, and plus n value also again don't know, n minus 1. D value we found, that is 2. So 49, keep it as it is. This 1 can be brought this side, it will become minus 1. So I will write that n minus 1 as it is into 2. 49 minus 1 is 48, is equals to n minus 1 into 2. 48, keep it as it is. This 2 we can bring it this side, it will be divided by 2. That is nothing but n minus 1. So next one is nothing but the calculation part. Very importantly, now we have to simplify. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 24 is equals to n minus 1. So 24, keep it as it is. Minus 1, if you will bring this side, it will become plus 1, that is equals to n. 24 plus 1 is 25. That is our n value. We found the n value now. So now it is easy to find. Any one of the formula you can substitute, that Sn you can substitute, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2 you can substitute, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an you can substitute, and you can find the final answer. To find Sn, we will go with the, that is Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. Why I am going for this formula? Because here the simple thing, a we know, and we know already that an value also. An is nothing but the 49, the last term. The first term is 1, 3, 5, so on. Last term is 49. So we know first term and last term. So we will go with this formula only, because it is easy to find. So S, how much is it? So it is S25. Okay, we have to find S25 because n is equal to 25 terms. That is nothing but 25 by 2 into a value is nothing but first term, that is 1, and the last term is 49. So now we will calculate. So 25 by 2 as it is, 1 plus 49 is nothing but what? 50. Okay, so now we can cancel that. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 1 is left, it become 10, 2 5s are, so 2 25s are 50. Now 25 into 25 is last our final answer, that is S25 value. 25 into 25 is nothing but a 25 square, that is nothing but 625. So this is our final answer. Sum of the odd numbers between 0 to 50 is nothing but 625. Lastly, you can write down sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50 is nothing but 625. That is our final answer. Coming to the last very important part, that is question for your work at home. Here is only one question, that is find the sum of the prime numbers between 5 and 70. The question you see here, find the sum of all the prime numbers between 5 and 70. The question is between our year, huh? Remember between. So understand the question and solve this. This much is for today's video. Please support my channel, that is PSM Perfect Solution for Math. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.